Hi everyone, I'm Tommy. Today I would like to introduce you to the magnetic rack and pinion gear. Magnetic rack and pinion gear are mainly used in medicine, chemical mixing, and vertical and flat reciprocating transmission. Magnetic rack and pinion gear is divided in two types: right angle transmission and parallel transmission. Their structure is a magnetic gear and a magnetic track. If you need to customize them, you need to tell us the total length of the track, the pulling weight, the pulling direction, vertical or flat.